What's going on, snipers? Naeem Al-Obeidi here. Hope all of you guys are having a wonderful day today. Let's go ahead and dive right into our daily cryptocurrency analytics for today. We're going to be talking about my three favorite coins, which is Ripple, IOTA, and Litecoin right now. I'm going to talk about exactly how we could have actually predicted the growth over the past coming days, as well as where the future lies for these three coins. So as we can see with this Ripple chart, it was actually really easy to predict this. For you new traders, you know I like to use very basic, simple techniques for you guys to actually see here. So this is called a pennant, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what a pennant is. If you guys are on our Discord, the link is in the description below. It's a free resource that I've created for the community to actually participate and learn. If we go to Trading 101 here, so we have resources and then Trading 101. Resistance is a price level that may prompt a net increase of selling activity, and a support level is a price that may prompt a net increase of buying activity. Just to show you guys that really quick if you're new, support levels are formed at the top. It's also called a top, and then the resistance levels are formed at the bottom. They are called resistance, or you can call them troughs. So in this formation, we see a pennant. It's a clear indication that we're going to see a price movement. If you go to our Trading 101, just scroll down. As you can see, we have all of these listed out for you. Shout out to Alan for making this for us. And this is a pennant here. So a pennant is created when there's a significant price movement in the stock followed by a period of consolidation. This creates the pennant shape due to the converging lines. So you guys can actually read this if you want, but pretty much we see a breakout at this last point where it gets extremely narrow. And as you can see, this was a clear pennant. I posted this on our Discord. As you know, I post all of our price alerts there. And then we obviously did see this breakout. Now we're seeing some consolidation, but I think we're definitely going to be seeing a lot of this volatility over the next couple of days just based on Bitcoin's drop in price right now. Obviously, Bitcoin controls typically 50% of the market, so it's going to definitely influence all of these other coins. So for XRP, the reason I like it is it's because it's an amazing coin due to the team that's behind it, in my opinion. Being that they're number 4, their market cap's currently at 29 billion. They have over 38 billion coins in circulating supply. I like the fact that it's centralized. If you guys watched my Ripple video on why I think it will rise in 2018, I talked about the pros and the cons, but being centralized and working with banks is typically a good thing. So go ahead and watch that video if you actually want to check that out. Let's go ahead and talk about Litecoin. Why is this my other favorite coin? And I want to show you guys a very clear pattern formation here. So as you can see, there's a clear ascending triangle forming here, and I'll show you guys exactly how that looks on our Discord as well. But this was the ascending triangle that we saw here form. And if you go here to our resource ascending triangle, as you can see, this triangle usually appears during an upward trend and is regarded as a continuation pattern. So this is really where the breakout occurs, and exactly what we saw here occurred here. And that's why I highly recommend using these resources to your advantage, guys. As we can see, very similar to Ripple, we see this consolidation immediately afterwards due to Bitcoin's consolidation that's occurring right now as we speak. So obviously you guys know I like Ripple, and it's because of the team and primarily because it's in a niche market as well. You're talking about banking. Over 70% of transactions in Japan actually touch the Ripple net. So at the end of the day, what I would say for Litecoin is, being that Bitcoin has risen in price over this past year, I feel like personally Litecoin didn't see a lot of traction during that time frame, and because of that, it's undervalued. That's really the one reason I like Litecoin right now. I think it's truly an undervalued coin based on the amount of volume you see on a daily basis. Look, if you look at Litecoin, it's running 2 billion in volume versus IOTA at 1 billion right behind it. So this is a perfect time to transition into IOTA. Sorry for the last 2 video breaks, guys. I actually had somebody actually call me right now and it disrupted the video, and then I got a text after that. I don't like to have those sounds and stuff in my videos. But IOTA, why do I like IOTA? I think IOTA, being at a $14 billion market cap at 2 billion in circulating supply right now, a lot less than Ripple, I can definitely see a potential for IOTA. Litecoin, Ripple, IOTA, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and Bitcoin are all very different coins. I think the IOTA project definitely has a lot of potential, and the team behind it also has a very big vision for where it can go. And if we look at the chart here, we see a very clear cup and handle forming right over here on this right-hand side. And pretty much what we saw here was a huge breakout as expected. If you guys don't know what a cup and handle is, this is the base of the cup right down here. This is called the cup handle. Initially, you're going to want to see this negative price breakout right before that, and then you see this as our breakout point, and this actually led to this price breakout. If you guys go to your resource here and you look at a cup and handle, you could have easily predicted this one. I think we did this on a live stream actually, because I did see the drawings before I made this video. So the breakout occurs right here. It's the exact same pattern here. So if you guys go on the Discord, this will really help you guys out. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. If you guys need anything, just let me know. We're definitely going to make more of these videos tonight. Tonight, we'll do a live stream on what to do when Bitcoin drops suddenly, and I'm going to be making that video today. So other than that, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and that's it for today, guys. So snipers out.